Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we will take a look at how to fix quiet Apple AirPods or AirPods Pro. Now there are a few things that we would like to go ahead and do. One of them is to go ahead and check that your actual volumes is set correctly by clicking on the physical up and down or the loud sounds for your physical phone itself. Or another thing that we can go ahead and do is to go into our settings, and then we're going to be making sure that we don't have auto loud sound turned on. So to do that, we're just going to go into our settings right here and then go into sounds and haptics. And then we're going to go down until we can see headphone safety. So go ahead and click on this. And then if you have this reduced loud audio toggled on, what that means is if something is quite loud, then it will reduce the audio. So make sure that this is toggled off right here. Another thing that we can go ahead and do is to go into our personalized spatial audio and then just go through the procedure of setting it up so that it will go ahead into our preferences right here. So just go ahead and go through that. Or another thing that we can go ahead and do is to go into our main settings right here once again and go all the way until we can see accessibility. And then we're going to go all the way down until we can see audio and visual right here. And then we should see headphone accommodations at the top. So go ahead and open this up and then turn it on. And then this will allow you to go ahead and play around more with the actual settings when you're using your headphones. So if you want to go ahead and, make it boosted strongly, then you can go ahead and do it right here. And there you go. Just go ahead and play around with this, and hopefully this will go ahead and fix your quiet issue. I hope that you have found this tutorial helpful. See you guys next time.